The back is such an important part of your body, and if you don't take care of it, oh, you're gonna be in trouble. I'm gonna show you 3 exercises that you're gonna do that's gonna help you maintain your back so that you don't have to go to doctors for treatments. The first one you're gonna do, if you don't have any knee problem, do a squat, but this squat is really pushing forward to engage the quads muscle, like that. You do that first, you push forward. Start with like a good 15 to 20 a day, push. As you feel better, go down more, push. The benefit is not even the squat itself, but it's pushing, really engage the glutes muscle, because that's what supports your back, the glutes muscle. Next, second exercise. You're gonna take a little baseball, not to play, but you're gonna put it on the floor, and you're gonna use that and sit on it. Start on one side of the glutes, maybe let's say your right glutes, and you don't have to put all your weight, but put a little bit of weight and circling it. It's like giving yourself a deep tissue massage. Yeah, it not only feels good, but the benefit is crazy. Yeah, circle. Circle. And go on the other side for the other one. Got 2 glutes, circle. Yeah, massage that glute. Next, you wanna now go kind of all the way to your leg down in a straight line, like that. Straight line. Yeah. So you go a little bit higher as well, and a lot lower, almost to your knee, like that. And of course, switch the other leg. Same thing. Nice. Yes. So this is good. Next, you're gonna take, yes, foam. So this one, it's a little bit different. It's not as deep, but it kind of relaxes the muscle. So you lay down and you ride on it like that. See? So that's the upper one. Then you need to do your lower back. Yeah, you're gonna roll it down all the way to your leg. This one doesn't feel a deep tissue massage, but it does help. Like that. See? Rolling. And also you want to use the side as well. Left side and right side. Kind of slowly. Now you probably say, why the leg? Well, the legs support your back. If your legs muscles are strong, they're gonna support your back. I can tell you that. Nice. And while you're there, you can do a little stretch. Nice. So, what do you guys think? This is what I use to help with my back.